What's this? Boyle's treasure map? Boyle's treasure map. Fantastic. First, I'll go from Tortuga Island to Lusac's dock. And from there, I'll go to the SS Charles. And then I'll cross the sea and arg! I'll be at Boyle's treasure.
Hey look, it's Dr. Evil with Boyle's treasure map.
We must stop him from taking the treasure.
What? No!
Let's find Boyle's treasure before Dr. Evil does.
Okay, let's get to Tortuga Island. Look,
no.
It's Dr. Evil.
Welcome to Tortuga Island, ladies. You're gonna have to go through some very difficult chemistry problems to get to Boyle's treasure. Explain to me what Gay-Lussac's law is.
Gay-Lussac's law has to do with pressure and temperature, which are directly proportional. This means that as temperature rises, pressure also rises.
For example, if a water bottle is heated, the temperature goes up. So the pressure goes up also because the molecules move faster and move closer together.
Tell me what Charles' law is.
Charles' law has to do with volume and temperature. Volume and temperature are directly proportional because as volume increases, temperature increases.
Imagine someone is blowing up a balloon. The balloon is being inflated with warm air, then the molecules start moving faster and start colliding against each other and try to break the boundaries of the balloon's walls. This increases the volume.
Tell me what Boyle's law is.
Boyle's law has to do with pressure and volume, which are inversely proportional. This means that if pressure goes down, volume goes up, and vice versa.
For example, if you squeeze a balloon, you're trying to reduce the volume of the gas inside, which increases the pressure. And since the balloon can't stand the added pressure, it bursts.
Oh dear, they were correct. I'll make sure my next obstacle is tougher so they won't foil my plan.
Walking across this island forever.
Oh look, there's the dock.
So hungry.
There's Gay-Lussac's dock. Let's get some food.
Let's go.
So you've made it as far as Gay-Lussac's dock. Now that's pretty surprising. But if you guys want to get food, you're going to have to classify mixtures and solutions. Since you guys have been craving rum lately, you'll need to tell me the classification of this mixture or solution.
Rum is a homogeneous solution because it is uniformly composed of one substance throughout the whole thing. It's also a colloid because it scatters light.
Now that you've classified rum, only one of you has gotten a drink. The other must now classify this mixture or solution of pearl milk tea.
PMT is a heterogeneous mixture because it contains two different substances, which are the tea and the pearls. It is also suspension because the pearls settle to the bottom.
Now that you've drunk something, I bet that you're very hungry. And to get this meal of mashed potatoes, you must know whether this is a mixture or a solution.
Potatoes are a homogeneous mixture because it's only composed of one substance.
Now that one of you has eaten, the other one must eat as well. So to get this meal, you must classify this as a mixture or a solution, which I doubt you can do.
Baked beans and bacon is a heterogeneous mixture because it is composed of both beans and bacon.
You passed me this time, but you'll never solve the next chemistry problems. just can't seem to get this. I guess I'll just ask the good pirates and they'll probably be able to do it for me. And then I can just take the treasure from them when they're least suspecting it. That's perfect.
We finally crossed the sea to get to Boyle's treasure. Let's get to the treasure before Dr. Evil dies.
Well, hello there, good pirates. What are you two doing here?
Trying to get to the treasure.
Well, to get to the treasure, you guys are going to have to solve this double replacement reaction and fill in the coefficients to unlock the treasure chest, which is guarded by a passcode. So there's 4 digits. So you must decode this.
Okay, then we'll do it.
Okay, well it's a nearly impossible task.
We can do it.
Let's go.
My plan is working.
This is a double replacement reaction. It's a reaction between 2 ionic compounds where the cation from one joins the anion from the other. The products and reactants are shown as compounds. In this one, our products are aluminum chloride and barium sulfate.
To balance this equation, the number of atoms on the reactant side needs to equal the number of atoms on the product side. There are 2 atoms of Al, 3 atoms of SO4, 1 atom of Ba, and 2 atoms of Cl on the reactant side. Now that the coefficients have been added, there are an equal number of atoms of each element on both sides.
We finally solved this chemical equation. Now we can use the coefficients 1, 3, 2, 3 to put in the code.
Look, we found the treasure chest!
Yay!
Now we have the code to unlock the chest. 1, 3, 2, 3.
I can't open it. It's stuck.
Why not? I thought we got the coefficients correct.
The other equation on the board must be used to open the box.
Oh yeah, it must be part of Dr. Evil's plan. Let's go! This is a combustion reaction. A combustion reaction consists of a molecule, usually a hydrocarbon, like glucose, that combines with oxygen to form each element's oxide. We know in a combustion reaction that the products will be H2O and CO2. Now we have balanced this equation with the coefficients 1, 6, 6, 6.
Now we have the next set of numbers for our code. Let's put it in.
Okay. 1, 6, 6, 6.
We've unlocked the box.
Yes, Boyle's treasure, we finally found it.
Yay!
Not so fast, my little friend.
What are you talking about?
No, let's keep the treasure. My treasure. Give it.
Oh dear.
My plan was foiled again. I guess they were smarter than I thought.
Arg! We've got the treasure at last!
Arg! The end.